Hi friends, welcome back to Channa Tech Point. Today's session we are going to see how to download and install PuTTY on Windows. Go to Chrome browser, type PuTTY download, select the first link putty.org, click on download PuTTY. Here you can see Windows installer 64-bit and 32-bit. We need to check whether our system is support 64-bit or 32-bit. Go to computer, click on properties. You can see system type is 64-bit. In this way we can check the system type. Click on this PuTTY 0.78. Click on save. You can see PuTTY 64-bit downloaded. Double click on that. Click on next. Here installation path it will take C:program files PuTTY. Click on next. No need to change the path. Click on install. PuTTY downloaded. Click on finish. Finally it will generate the readme.txt file. This text file guide you how to use the PuTTY. Open PuTTY. Here we need to provide the IP address or host name to connect the server. Thank you for watching. For more updates, please subscribe my channel.